Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's perfect for adding a rustic touch to your parties and events. The Gift Boutique Rustic Wood Sliced Dessert Paper Plates. These rustic wood-sliced dessert plates are not just your ordinary paper plates. They're crafted with a charming round wooden slice design that adds a unique, woodland-inspired flair to any gathering. Each set includes 50 plates, ideal for serving desserts or snacks at parties. They're made from high-quality, thick paper, ensuring durability while maintaining an eco-friendly disposable design. The plates are designed with a die-cut edge that mimics the look of real wood slices, making them a standout choice for themed parties like camping, lumberjack, woodland animal baby showers, weddings, and birthdays. Perfect for various occasions, these plates are a hit among guests of all ages. Whether it's a picnic, barbecue, or any outdoor event, they streamline cleanup without compromising style. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your next event with a touch of rustic charm and practicality, look no further than the Gift Boutique Rustic Wood Sliced Dessert Paper Plates. They're affordable, stylish, and guaranteed to impress your guests. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on innovative products like this one. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.